A very good afternoon, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I, Apur Dwivedi of BTech Civil 3rd year, going to present my views on Steel Slag Road. Introduction to Steel Slag Road. Steel slag roads have become a topic of innovative engineering and sustainable construction, particularly in the context of National Highway 66, which connects Mumbai to Goa. This introductory section aims to shed light on the significance of merging traditional road construction methods with modern environmentally conscious materials. As we delve into the subject, we will unravel the benefits, the impacts, and the visions for a better infrastructure that aligns with co-friendly practices. This is the picture of inauguration. It was inaugurated by Dr. V.K. Saraswat. The construction process involved converting approximately 80,000 tons of Konark steel slag into processed steel slag aggregates at the JSW Steel Dolvi plant in Raigad. The highway marks a milestone in sustainable road construction technology, converting waste from steel industries into a valuable resource for building robust and eco-friendly national highways. This is the picture of Raigad plant, from where steel slag is converted into steel slag aggregates. JSW Steel, under the CSIR CRRI technological guidance, has constructed the 1 kilometer long 4-lane steel slag road section on Indapur Panvel section of NH 66 Mumbai to Goa. For construction of this road, around 80,000 tons of Konark steel slag were converted as processed steel slag aggregates at JSW Steel Dolvi, Raigad plant. The processed steel slag aggregates are superior to natural aggregates in terms of various mechanical properties and utilized for steel slag road construction in all layers of the road in place of natural aggregates. The road has bituminous and cement concrete steel slag road section at same location in RHS and LHS carriageways. On this road section, the processed steel slag aggregates and slag cement have been utilized for construction of cement concrete road in all layers. Next, we should know what is the steel slag road. Before going into depth about steel slag road, we should know what is the steel slag. Steel slag is a byproduct of steel making processes. It is produced during the separation of molten steel from impurities in steel making furnaces. It consists of calcium, magnesium, aluminium, silicates, and ferrous compounds, creating a durable aggregate material that is suitable for various construction applications. Utilization of steel slag in construction projects reflects an effort towards sustainable development by recycling industrial waste and reducing the environmental impact. It's a road map for NH 66 Mumbai Goa National Highway. It starts from Panvel, then Mahad, then Ratnagiri, then Rajapur, then Kudal, then Panji Goa, then Margao. It is a picture of seminar attended by various officials for this road section development. This is an inauguration picture of NH 66 steel slag road section. Let's talk about the construction process of steel slag road on NH 66. First, material testing. Prior to construction, steel slag undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets quality and safety standards for road building material. Second, base preparation. The road bed is prepared through compacting and leveling, providing a stable foundation for the placement of steel slag. Third, slag layering. Steel slag aggregates are methodically layered and compacted, creating a formidable base that boosts exceptional load-bearing capacity. Fourth, surface finishing. A final surface layer is applied, which typically includes a sealant to ensure a smooth finish and additional protection for the slag road. Let's talk about importance of NH66, Mumbai Goa National Highway. Economic significance. The NH66 is more than just a stretch of tarmac connecting two vibrating cities. It acts as an arterial route between Mumbai, the financial capital, and Goa, a tourism hub. This highway is a lifeline that facilitates the transport of goods, significantly boosting the economy. Second, strategic importance. The highway is not only crucial for the economic vitality but also for strategic connectivity across the western coast, linking various towns and facilitating interstate trade and mobility. Third, cultural connection. As a pathway connecting diverse cultures, the NS66 enables cultural exchange and supports the rich tapestry of India's heritage by making travel for tourism and pilgrimage easily accessible. Benefits of using steel slag in road construction. First, strength and durability. The inherent properties of steel slag provide superior strength and longevity to roads, thus thereby reducing the needs of frequent repairs and maintenance. Second, cost effectiveness. Steel slag is a cost effective alternative to traditional materials which lowers the overall expense of road construction without compromising quality. Third, eco-friendly. Using this recycled material greatly mitigates the environmental toll by diverting tons of waste from landfills, making it an eco-friendly choice. Environmental impacts and sustainability of steel slag road. First, waste reduction. The use of steel slag in roadways markedly reduces the accumulation of industrial waste, thus promoting a circular economy. Second, resource conservation. It curtails the extraction of natural resources by replacing gravel and limestone, contributing to the preservation of natural habitats. Third, energy efficiency. Steel slag roads require less energy to produce and maintain, which results in a lower carbon footprint compared to traditional asphalt roads. Maintenance and durability of steel slag road. Factor: wear resistance. High resistance to wear and deformation under heavy traffic loads. Extended road span due to steel slag's durable nature. Reduced long-term maintenance cost owing to slag's stability. Enhanced resilience to adverse weather conditions, limiting deterioration. Let's talk about conclusion and future prospects of steel slag road. As we conclude our exploration of steel slag roads on NS66, we recognize the palpable shift towards sustainability and innovative construction materials. The transition to such eco-friendly practices is a testament to the foresight of modern infrastructure development. With the promising results of steel slag in road construction, it stands as a beacon for future projects, fostering a new era where efficiency aligns with ecological consciousness. Steel slag have set an example for the reutilization of industrial byproduct, leading us to a future where construction sector can contribute to a greener planet. Inaugurating this change on NS66 marks a significant milestone that will undoubtedly inspire similar initiatives across the globe, making sustainable infrastructure a paramount objective in the coming years. Thank you, everyone.